Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add users to Zoho Projects. All right. So first up, as you can see here, I have here in this specific project, 3 users, including me and 2 co-workers. Okay. So to do that, just go ahead over to projects right here and select from one of your projects. Okay. For example, this specific project, I'm just going to go ahead and click on access project, wait for it to load. And once it loads in this tab at the top, you have the user section. Just click on it. Now in this specific project, again, you're going to want to add in some users at the top right. Click on add users. Okay. If you already have users from other projects, okay, you can go ahead and add them right here and just click on add. Now, if you want to as well, you can go ahead and invite fresh users. Just click on this option right here and add in their email. Okay. Should they be a user or a read-only user? Read-only means they cannot edit anything from your project. Okay. Role, employee, profile, employee, manager, contractor, it's up to you. Okay. Business hours, standard business hours, or only for weekends. This weekend shift right here, this is custom. Okay. If you want to know how to create business hours, we have a separate video in the channel titled how to set working days and holidays in Zoho Projects. Okay. Go ahead and check it out. So once that's done, just click on invite right here and the person will get a notification or email. And all they need to do is just accept the invitation. And once done, the new user will be added right here. Okay. Just like this one. Okay. And here you have the status as well. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.